Okay. First up, we've got the Motion 2350 Pro from Cytron. Love their stuff. This is like an intense board. It's got a lot going on. It's kind of an all-in-one robotics controller with RP2350 on the bottom. It's got power supply management. It's got USB host, I guess maybe bit banged. It's got 8 servo driver things. It's got 8 sensor inputs. It's got 4 DC motor drivers, or I guess you can do 2 steppers, on-off switch, power it from 3.6 to 16 volts. So it's great from battery, or if you're using like a lithium ion, lithium polymer, AA's, lead acid, piezo, kind of everything you want. They make cool stuff. I think we have the RP2040 version of this. Nice update, really good all-in-one robotics mechatronics board for almost any use.
And then the sound is off on this video, but you can check it out on our product page. But you can get an idea of some of the stuff it can do and a little bit more about it. It's about a minute or so. Check it out there. Next up.
Okay, we've also had a request to have some of our ESP32 feathers come with external antenna support. So we have the versions with PCB antennas, but if you want to put this in a case and you want to have the antenna on the outside, you'll need this version that has a w.FL connector. You're going to need a w.FL to RP-SMA adapter, which we stock in the store. I like to warn people, it's not UFL, it's w.FL, which is slightly different. It's like IPEX 3, not IPEX 2. I don't know. It's a tinier size. But don't worry, it's still, you can get parts from DigiKey if you want to have antennas or connectors, or like I said, you can use an adapter and then use your RP-SMA cable. Other than that, it's identical to our existing, I think it's existing, this is the same as product 5000, which is our ESP32-S2 Feather. This one, like I said, has 4 megabytes flash, 2 megabytes PSRAM, same, except w.FL.
Okay, next up.
Got a bunch of cases. First up, here's a 3D printed enclosure for the Sparkle Motion. Noe and Pedro have been killing it, making these enclosures that let people, protect and attach our boards. Our boards have mounting holes, but sometimes you want something, less bare bones. It has the reset button, or the boot button, which one, as a little nib. The DC jack, the terminal blocks are exposed. There's holes for the IR input and little slots on this. There's a slot on the side for the JST outputs and USB. And then I like how the outputs are marked because you may not be able to see it from when it's in the case. And easy to put together. Audio, don't worry about it. The case is not soundproof, so the microphone will work just fine. And this works with the larger Sparkle Motion, the one that can do like 12 volts.
Yeah. All right, and start the show tonight, besides you, Lady Ada, our team, the customers, the community, everybody who makes this thing go. And for the nice people who donate $20 or so to open source projects, them too. But we have some hardware.
Okay.
It's this one.
Do we have also the case for the mini Sparkle Motion?
Oh, it's so cute.
So cute. So this is the tiny version. It doesn't do 12 or 24 volts, but it does do 5 volts, and it has microphone built in, ESP32. It's great for making WLED projects. And we have a little case for it as well with the slots and the connectors. So if you're using this, especially in wearables or art projects that are mounted, you can quickly put this in the case, snap it closed, and protect it during use.
Okay, and a lot of these enclosures, it's because also you're going to be doing things with Sparkle Motion outside in some way too. Yeah. Like it'll help it be a little bit more weather resistant.
You want like your bag or your bicycle to have it. It's like you'll put it in something else, but this just keeps it from getting like banged up when you toss in your bottle.
We understand you got to have context of where you are. Read the room. Little microcontroller, put on Enclosure.
Okay.
That's it.
Yay. New.